What's going on, Summer Loving family, and welcome to another video. If you're new to this channel, my name is JP, and please hit that subscribe button down below, and I hope at the end of this video you'll hit the thumbs up. Today's video is a quick little review and install of the Trasharoo
Great
spare tire bag, and this is actually my second one. The first one that I had lasted about 2.5 years, and that's probably because I had it on the tailgate for 2.5 years straight. So it did get a bit weathered and beat up, and a couple of areas started tearing, so I just decided to chuck it and get myself a new one. So the spare tire bag is pretty much what it says. It's just a big bag that goes on your spare tire, and you can use it to haul your garbage or just put a whole bunch of other stuff in it, and it's basically adding some really good storage to the back of your Jeep or any of your vehicles that would have a spare tire carrier on the outside. So it's very simple to put on. I'm gonna throw it on the spare tire right now, and then once it's on, we'll do a little review of all the features of this bag. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so here's my tire. That's where the Trasharoo bag is going to go. The one thing that I found is it's easier to open your tailgate, especially with Jeeps, to be able to fish your straps behind the wheel rather than leave the tailgate closed. So I always prefer just to open it up a little bit. That way now you have access right down in here, feed your straps. So the Trasharoo bag comes with two big heavy duty straps, plastic buckles. You have adjusters at the top, you have an adjuster at the bottom, and then on the top you have this nice elastic band that secures your strap. The other thing that I would recommend is to crisscross your straps. So when you find a good spot where you want the bag to hang, I usually run the straps crisscrossed like that, so that way it pulls from each corner, from the top and from the bottom corner together. So I find it better than doing straight up and down. So it's up to you which way you prefer, but I've found that the crisscrossing definitely keeps the bag more secure. Alright, so I'm just going to adjust my straps, and then basically that's pretty much it. Should take about 2 minutes. So that was about probably 4 minutes, and basically it's brand new out of the bag. Had to totally adjust the straps, and also now with this 34-inch tire, the straps definitely have to be lengthened a lot more. All right, so it's on. Let's go over some of the features of the bag, and we'll go from there. All right, so the Trasharoo bag is huge.
That's what she said.
You can carry lots of stuff inside, and that's pretty much what we use it for. The outside features 2 buckle clips right here, so all you have to do is release both buckle clips, flip that over, and then you just open it right up. What in the world? That's right, if your kids are acting naughty, just throw them in the Trasharoo bag and you won't have to listen to them inside your Jeep. Just kidding, don't put your kids in the Trasharoo bag.
What's Trasharoo?
Alright, so I hope you like that little guest appearance by Aurelia. Alright, so as you can see, this bag is really tall, and it's got a nice drawstring up here, so you can cinch everything down, close it up, close down your bag. So this is really great when you want to keep messy stuff out. So usually when we go to the beach, all our sand toys that we bring for the kids go in here, wetsuits, wet towels, any garbage that we from whatever we bring onto the beach, and anything that we find we always throw back here. The other thing is it has these nice exterior mesh pockets down here, so you can throw stuff in here. You want to have stuff drain if it's wet, and any like quick items you want to gain access to. It's also got molly panels on here, so if you want to attach anything, I never do, don't really want to. It's got nice big drainage holes on the bottom, which is really great when you put a bunch of wet stuff in here. And then here on the flap, you have a little zipper pocket, and usually I store our hose and the spout for our septic can that we use to wash on the beach. So usually that goes right here. It's actually a nice little quick place to keep it. Right like that. 2 clips. And that's it. That's your Trasharoo bag. So I think right now on Amazon it's going for about $49.99 with Prime shipping, and nowadays due to the COVID, Prime shipping can be anywhere from 2 days to 2 weeks. I'm still waiting on stuff, so it's crazy. But I don't think it's a bad price. It's very functional. We use it every time that we go out four-wheeling, especially on the beach. It just allows us to keep all the wet, sandy stuff outside the Jeep, and the garbage outside the Jeep. So it's functional for us. Whether or not you're gonna want one, it's up to you, but for 49 bucks, I don't see it as a bad deal. All right, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Hit the thumbs up, it helps our channel grow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. We're finally over 3,500 subscribers. Thank you everyone who's been subscribing and watching the videos. It really means a lot. I don't really know when I started doing this. I pretty much have been making videos. It's kind of just like my therapy almost, or like my way of taking mind off work, and I really like working on the Jeep, so it's kind of like my little thing that, you know, I enjoy. So yeah, you want to say goodbye?
Goodbye!
Goodbye! Till the next video. Odin's taking a nap, and hopefully we're gonna get onto the beach again soon, right?
Who are you making this video for?
The people on YouTube. You wanna wave?
Daddy.
Alright, so thanks for watching again, and we'll see you on the next video.
Daddy, I want to do a different video. I want to do another video.
Another video?
Yeah.
What kind of video? What do you want to do?
Well, Dad, what I want to do is play in the Jeep.
You want to play in the Jeep?
Yeah.
Alright, we can play in the Jeep.
Okay.
Alright, let's go play in the Jeep.